This video demonstrates how to repair a damaged alloy wheel. As you can see in this video, a few of the spokes on the alloy wheel have been damaged. First of all, the wheel needs to be removed, then the tyre bead needs to be broken so you're able to get around the sides of the alloy wheel. Begin to sand down the damaged areas. Then add filler to the damaged areas and allow the filler to dry. Once the filler is dried, sand down the filler. Clean the alloy wheel and then begin to sand the entire wheel. Then mask the tyre to prevent paint getting onto the tyre. Cover the other areas of the alloy wheel to prevent paint going in unwanted areas. Apply 3 undercoats of paint to the damaged areas of the wheel and allow time for each coat to dry. Apply the first coat of paint to the damaged areas of the wheel that received an undercoat of paint. Apply the final coat of paint to the entire alloy wheel to bring it back to new. Once the paint has dried, reattach the wheel back onto the car.